Welcome back to another video with Glameres Gems Gourmet Recipes. What's on the menu today is creamy mushroom chicken, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. Now, if y'all are looking for a nice meal that is just gourmet and it's just nice for you and your man when you're having an at-home date night, this is the recipe for you. But I am on the struggle bus, y'all. I do not have any Parmesan cheese, so this is literally a prop, but it's essential. So anyhow, I've already done some prep work. I've already seasoned my meat, so you want to go ahead and cut your chicken breast in half. Season it top and bottom, and I've done this after I've cleaned the chicken, y'all. Not being nasty here. I've already washed it, cleaned the fat off, and seasoned it. So in a hot skillet, we're gonna go ahead and pan fry this, and I'm gonna show you how I set this up. So I've added olive oil and butter to a pan. One by one, you wanna go ahead and place your chicken breasts in the pan. And do it one by one, because if you put them in all at the same time, it's going to cool off the pan, and you don't want that. And this will cook on each side for about 6 to 7 minutes. You want it to be nice and golden brown. So it's been cooking for about 6 to 7 minutes. You want to go ahead and flip that chicken, and you want it to look just like that when you flip it. Alright, so once your chicken looks a nice golden brown like this, go ahead and transfer it to a clean pan or a clean plate until you're ready to add it back in. And you can see that the bottom of the pan is a little burnt, and that's perfectly fine. That's exactly, oopsie, I'm being a klutz. And that's perfectly fine. That's exactly how you want it to look. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is add in our onion. And we're going to also add in our mushroom. And I've already rinsed this mushroom as well. And just a teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm going to cook this evenly, just until it's nice and translucent, and then I'll show you how we do everything else. So once you have your mushrooms, onion, and your minced garlic looking like this, you want to go ahead and add in your heavy whipping cream. You want to add in your heavy whipping cream, your paprika, rosemary, and your parsley at this time. You would also add in your Parmesan cheese, but of course I don't have that, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my chicken. And this is going to simmer on a low setting for about 20 minutes, just to allow the heavy whipping cream to thicken up. And because of how flavorful the chicken is, you shouldn't really have to adjust your sauce too much. I might add a little bit of Colby Jack and Monterey cheese in here just to thicken it a little bit, because I don't have the Parmesan cheese. But either way, I'm gonna go ahead and cover this with a lid, and it'll simmer between like the 2, maybe about 3 and 4 for about 20 minutes. So I'll come back and show you once it's done. So my chicken has been simmering on low for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now I went ahead and added a little bit more salt and pepper, and I just did like 1/4 cup of the shredded Colby Jack and Monterey cheese, only because I don't have the Parmesan cheese. But other than that, it tastes delicious. Now if you're not a huge fan of the color of the sauce, you can go ahead and add in browning, and you don't want to add in a lot of that, just a tiny smidge of it. And this is the browning seasoning. You can buy this at get this at your local grocery store. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this around. It's just going to give our sauce a little bit of color. I think I wanna just do one more little squirt of that. So that's probably like a tablespoon of the browning. And it'll give it a nice brown color. And I'll be back in just a moment to go ahead and plate this for you. I'm just serving this over a bit of white rice. All right, everyone, so I forgot to film an outro for this completed recipe, but I just wanted to show you how it turned out once I plated it. So what I did was I just microwaved some white rice in the microwave oven for about 20 minutes, and I went ahead and just poured some gravy over top of the rice and put the chicken next to it. It was very delicious, very flavorful. The chicken was very tender and soft. So I hope that you all will definitely try this recipe. Let me know how it turns out for you. And also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye.